Are you a small business owner that needs to create mock-ups for your products, whether it's digital or physical products? Creating mock-ups is not always easy, especially when you're doing it from scratch. But today, I have some great news for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create fantastic mock-ups with the new, improved, and upgraded Smart Mockups in Canva. Plus, I have some bonus info for you at the end of the video, so make sure you watch all the way through. Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Willow and I've been using Canva for almost 10 years. And my channel is dedicated to showing everyone all the amazing things that you can do with Canva, especially if you're a small business owner like me. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified every week when a new tutorial comes out. Canva has upgraded the Smart Mockups app, and now you have 8,000 different mockups to choose from. And today I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to create those mockups 2 different ways. Plus, I'm going to show you some bonus info where you can get great mockups. They're super fun and easy to use. So let's jump into the tutorial and get started. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to make mockups with the new Smart Mockups upgrade. So for the first one, we're going to start on the home page, come to the left sidebar, and come down to Smart Mockups and click that button. This page opens and you can see here at the top, these are your categories. So they have technology, print, packaging, apparel, and home and living. And then these are your subcategories, and each category has different subcategories. So I've gone ahead and created some designs for this tutorial and then uploaded them into Canva. And if you need help learning how to upload your designs, you want to watch this video, How to Use Canva Easy Tutorial for Beginners 2022 next. And I'll be sure to put a link in the description for you. So for our first mockup, we'll create a book cover. So we'll go to print, click on books, and again, there are tons and tons of options. Canva has offered up these subcategories, and we're going to create a square book. We'll use this one, click on it, and it opens. And to get your design, you want to click on select. Your uploads will open, and you can also choose from your designs. And these are designs that you've created and saved. So we'll go back to uploads. We're going to click on this design and now click select. You can see that it did not fill the book cover the way we would want it to. So come over to the right and click on Adjust Image. This menu will open, and you want to start by going to this drop box, and you can select Fit, Fill, Stretch, or Custom. We're going to choose Fill. So it automatically resizes the image, but you can see here that it's made it bigger on the sides. So if we come back over to the right-hand side, you can see that we have alignment, and these are different buttons. These buttons will automatically move your design for you. We want to align this to the left, so we'll click this button, and then you also have flip. So just like in the editor, if you click this button, it will flip your design. If you want to change it back, click the button again, and then this button is vertical, and you just click it back. And I think that this will work. So you can see barely behind it the size of the book cover, and I'm okay with this part of the design being cut off. I'm going to click save, and now you have your preview of the image. You want to click save mockup, and once it saves, you get this menu. You can download it from here or you can use it in a design. If you click use in a design, you can try the custom size. I personally have not had any luck getting this image into a custom size. So what I would do if I wanted to create a specific size for example, like with Etsy, they want you to have 2000 by 2000 pixel images. My option for that is to click on the Instagram story. It opens the editor and populates with your design. And so what I would do is I would click resize, and I would come up here and I would change the pixel size to 2000 by 2000, and I would click resize, and then you just pull your image the way you want it, or right click and set image as background. Now you have a 2000 by 2000 pixel design for your book mock-up that you can use for Etsy. And of course, you go to share and download, or share on social, or schedule to your content planner. If you wanted to load it into Etsy, you would need to download it. And I always download as a JPEG because it just saves space. And then you click download and save it to your file. And that's how easy it is to create a mock-up from the home screen using the Smart Mockups button. So now I want to show you how to create a mock-up from the editor. So let's add a page, and then we'll come over to uploads and we'll click on this design, and you want to click on that and then go up to this button, edit image, and scroll down to where you see Smart Mockups. Click on See All, and this opens the options you have from the editor, and we're going to look for a t-shirt. So you just scroll through until you find an image that you want to use. I like this one. You click on it, and it automatically puts your design on that t-shirt. Now, if you don't like the way that the design looks on the t-shirt, you can adjust it. To adjust your design, you want to come back over to the button that you picked and click on the three little bars. Come to the top drop-down menu, and you can fill, fit, or custom. If you select custom, then you get this menu, and you can increase the image size, or you can decrease the image size. You can adjust the vertical setting here, pull it up or pull it down. Let's get it right where we want it. And then you can also change the horizontal position by dragging and dropping this bar here. And then for the object color, click this box and you can pick the shirt color. I'm gonna go with this ivory and click apply. And once it's done, right click, set image as background, and now you have a 2000 by 2000 pixel image of your t-shirt design that you can use in your Etsy listing. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever a new tutorial is published. And so I also have a bonus for you for mockups. My friend Jo makes these amazing mockups, and they are all for Canva. And her website is called Mockup Scene, and she has lots of freebies. So when you come to her website, make sure you subscribe and you can get the freebies that she sends out. And let's go to shop. And this gives you an idea of everything that Jo has on her website. All of these different items are either graphics or mock-ups. And for example, her tote bag mock-up. So you get all of these different options for the tote bag mock-up. You purchase it, and then you have access to the template in Canva, and you can edit this just like a mock-up in Canva. These are so handy. She has notebook, flyers, all kinds of things. And I'll be honest and tell you that I use a big set of mock-ups that she created for me and use them all the time. They are super easy to work with. They make it super easy to create mock-ups with. And if you have a product that you need to create mock-ups for on the regular, I highly recommend these. And then you can also go to freebies, and you can see she offers a ton of freebies. And these are so fun. The stationery items, this is one of my favorites. So it has all of these different kinds of stationery pieces in it. And all you have to do is click add to cart and it will add it to your cart and then you can check out. I highly recommend that you set up an account. She sends out some amazing freebies. I hope you found this video helpful and full of great information. Now you see how easy it is to create mockups in Canva. And that bonus info for mockup scene, those are pretty nifty and I highly recommend them. I use mine all the time for my products. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below. And since Smart Mockups has so many pro features, I'm going to include a link in the description for a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro. Be sure to grab that and give it a try. If you're a small business owner, Canva Pro is a must-have. If you have any questions about today's tutorial or Canva in general, please be sure to post those in the comments below and I'll answer just as quickly as I can. I'll be back next week with another tutorial, and until then, enjoy your Canva and make it a great week. See you then.